Conclusion. Congratulations on making it to the end of this introductory guide to cupping therapy. You may be surprised to know that the majority of people who start listening to a book never complete it. If you've made it this far, you're definitely interested in alternative therapy and all the benefits it has to offer. The best thing you can do is to get clearance from your doctor and get started on a cupping program. You could try visiting a practitioner, or you can learn to do it yourself with the many home DIY kits available. Take your time and progress at your own pace. This is not a race. The more you do it, the better you will get at doing it and the healthier you will become. It's all a matter of time and practice. May you experience good health and youthful energy from making cupping therapy a part of your life. Start quote. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. End quote. George Bernard Shaw. Thanks for listening.